In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. So after making sure that it's up to date or just after you've updated your Snapchat app, let's open the app. And from here, let's tap on our profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. So here in this section, you will be able to see a section or an option that says Snapchat Plus. So the Snapchat Plus is basically a premium feature of Snapchat. So if you have that Snapchat Plus, you want to select that. In my case, unfortunately, I don't have that feature. Maybe it's not supported in my device. So if you can see that feature in your Snapchat app, just select on it. So just inside Snapchat Plus, you will see a setting that says uh, chat effects. So when you see the chat effect setting, you just want to tap on it and just make your text bigger. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.